No, tuvieron que haber bajado. Depende las luces porque como está en contra. Sí, ¿verdad?
¿Sabes que ya subió más el agua? Está subiendo más. Mira nomás.
Mira. Ya, ahí viene otra camioneta. No, que suba.
Hazte para acá, Carlos, por favor. De una camioneta, un carro. El día está subiendo exponencialmente. Otro carro. Ay, Dios mío. El carro se aventó así.
No, ¿cómo ir a ayudar, Porque yo me lanzo y ahí, miren, me van y me buscan a la avenida allá.
No, la de allá ya se quedó ahí.
Las motos las andan sosteniendo porque se van.
In Zapopan, Jalisco, a tragedy has struck the La Martinica neighborhood since Tuesday night. Heavy rains that lasted for about an hour and a half caused a canal to overflow and flood the streets. The torrent swept away everything in its path. Within minutes, the water rose rapidly, sweeping away vehicles and strollers. They closed their doors, and the torrent tore them down. Water poured in, and cries for help began to be heard from neighbors, who were carrying a child and unable to find their other children. At least 7 vehicles were swept away by the torrent on Paseo de los Manzanos Street in Zapopan after this powerful storm. They overturned, some with their wheels overturned, others crashed into walls. The streets were covered in tree debris, furniture, trash, and mud. The water level reached 4 meters. So far, 144 homes have been affected. Dozens of families have lost everything. The area is without electricity, and shelters have been set up. Civil Protection considers this storm the worst in at least 12 years. The powerful storm also caused damage to a funeral home. The flood left mud, branches, and debris inside, making furniture and coffins unusable. The flood also swept away a life jacket. There were no services at the time of the flood, so there were no injuries. Luis Fernando Perez Ortiz, one of the workers, explained to N+Foro that they were trying to rescue a miner who died in the collapse of a building next to the funeral home. A 3-month-old baby died after a wall collapsed on him, causing his house to collapse. At least 12 other people were injured, including a 4-year-old boy who suffered broken bones and is reported to be in serious condition.